Okay guys, it is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, and of course we will be checking it out right here in this video. However, before I go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash, and if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. These are the assets that we'll be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the analysis. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. Okay guys, this is boom 1000. I'm on 5 minute time frame using the 3M trend new car trading indicator to do my analysis right from here. This had been more of an uptrend. You can see the uptrend signal got to this region, had the pullback, went back up again, still unable to break out from there, so it's having another pullback. Okay, so this is trying to go back fully on downtrend. Once it breaks out below this particular support zone, it's going to go fully on downtrend, so we expect more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity right from there. Okay, now let's move on to boom 500. Okay, so guys, this is boom 500 and we're going to check the current charts right now. Okay, this is the current chart, still on 5 minute time frame. Just where we are seeing this had been an uptrend for a while, and of course it got to this resistance zone, was unable to break out from there, so it started selling right from there, even though it is ranging around there for a while. And once it breaks out below this particular support zone, then it's going to sell more, so we expect more of a selling opportunity immediately that happens. Okay, so you guys should watch out for that. Next asset is going to be crash 1000. Let's check it out together. Okay, so this is crash 1000, and of course this had been on, it was on downtrend before, but after getting to this support zone wasn't able to break out from there, so it started an uptrend, and right now it has gotten to this particular resistance zone, so may likely add a little pullback, then it will go back there to break out above the resistance zone and buy more. So we expect more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity right from there. Okay, so the next asset is going to be crash 500. Let's check it out together. Okay guys, this is crash 500, and of course this actually went on downtrend. It was unable to break out below this support zone, so it's trying to go back on uptrend right now. You can see it right from here. It came back to the support zone and went back up, and if you should notice, this is trying to form a W, and of course guys, once it breaks out above this, and of course here is also a trend line. Okay, so once it breaks out above that, then definitely it will buy for a very long time, so we expect it to pick up from here, buy till it gets to this region. Once it breaks out above it, then we expect it also to get to this particular spot. Okay, so this is very important, so this should be giving us more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. So the last asset we'll be checking out is going to be V75. Let's check it out together. Okay, so guys, this is V75, and just where we are seeing it, this actually started an uptrend right from here, broke out above this resistance zone at this spot, and of course it has got into a new resistance zone. So if it's unable to break out from there, then it will start a downtrend right from there. So it's trying to form a kind of structure that will lead it fully into a downtrend. Okay, but we need it to break out below this. Okay, once it breaks out below this, then definitely it's going to sell more and may likely get to this particular spot. And of course, once it breaks out below this, then we should expect it around here. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, so we should be expecting more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity, except if it breaks out above that resistance zone. So this is going to be giving us more selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. So guys, these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every aspect of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are yet to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every aspect of the analysis shared, practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, kindly give me thumbs up and share with families and friends. And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.